What if one warm cup could help your joints move easier, your gut heal faster, your skin look healthier, and your body feel stronger from the inside out? No pills, no powders, no trendy supplements, just bone broth. This isn't ordinary soup, it's liquid nutrition your body instantly recognizes. Bone broth delivers collagen, amino acids, and minerals in a form that's easy to absorb and deeply supportive, especially as your body ages or recovers from stress, inflammation, or wear and tear. People who drink bone broth consistently don't just feel warmer. They often notice less joint stiffness, calmer digestion, better sleep, and a stronger sense of overall balance. Let's break down exactly what bone broth does inside your body, and why it's one of the most powerful traditional foods still backed by modern science. 1. Supports joint health and mobility. Bone broth contains collagen, gelatin, glucosamine, and chondroitin, nutrients your joints rely on to stay cushioned and flexible. As we age, cartilage naturally thins, which can lead to stiffness and discomfort. Bone broth supplies the raw materials your body uses to support cartilage repair and maintain joint structure, helping movements feel smoother and more comfortable over time. 2. Strengthens the gut and improves digestion. Your gut lining plays a major role in digestion, immunity, and inflammation. The gelatin in bone broth helps reinforce that lining, making it more resilient and better able to absorb nutrients. A healthier gut often means less bloating, improved digestion, and fewer food sensitivities. This is one reason bone broth is commonly recommended during gut healing protocols. 3. Supports skin, hair, and nail health. Collagen is essential for skin firmness and elasticity, but collagen production declines with age. Bone broth provides amino acids like glycine and proline that help your body rebuild collagen naturally. Over time, this support can contribute to healthier-looking skin, stronger nails, and improved hair strength from the inside out. 4. Boosts immune system function. A large portion of your immune system lives in your digestive tract. By supporting gut health and providing amino acids needed for immune signaling, bone broth helps your body respond to stress and illness more effectively. It also supports glutathione production, one of the body's most powerful natural antioxidants. 5. Reduces inflammation and supports recovery. Chronic inflammation contributes to joint pain, fatigue, and slow recovery. Bone broth contains compounds that help regulate inflammatory responses and support tissue repair. Glycine, in particular, has calming and anti-inflammatory effects that help your body recover more efficiently. 6. Supports muscle strength and physical resilience. Bone broth provides amino acids necessary for maintaining muscle mass, which is especially important as muscle naturally declines with age. Supporting muscle health helps improve balance, strength, and overall mobility, making daily activities easier and safer. 7. Promotes relaxation and better sleep. Glycine also plays a role in nervous system regulation. Many people find that sipping bone broth in the evening helps them relax, unwind, and sleep more deeply. Better sleep supports hormone balance, recovery, and overall well-being. How to use bone broth for best results. Bone broth can be sipped warm, used in soups, or added to meals as a nourishing base. Choose slow-simmered broth made from real bones, or prepare it at home when possible. Avoid products with excessive sodium or artificial additives. Even 1 cup a day, consumed consistently, can provide noticeable benefits over time. Bone broth is simple, traditional, and deeply nourishing. It supports your joints, gut, immune system, skin, and overall strength in a way few foods can. Sometimes the most powerful health tools aren't new. They're timeless. If this video helped you, like it so more people can benefit, and subscribe for more practical, science-informed health content. I'll see you in the next video.